Guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes and how to use them. And on my channel, really on TikTok, it said JoJo See What I call this, what should I call this? Comment down below what should I call this. It's a brown slime with little foam beads. Now listen. I call this the ocean. Some napkins. Spoon. And of course, the slimes. Look guys. I have 5 today. The first one is going to be little dough one. We're gonna take orange juice. Comment down below, guys. Should I do ASMR with slimes? Comment down below. I'm really bad at it. Like, legit bad at it. Comment down below. Oh wait, y'all can make up a name for this too, if y'all want. And I have 5 good slime. I have 6. Whoa, guys. Whoa. Guys, this is like clay. Oh, I forgot I made this up actually. I'm gonna get a bowl. And this one is really sticky. Guys, this one is really sticky. Like, legit. You can see the dough. You can actually really see the dough, guys. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it. But, like, if you look into, like, the slime, you can actually really see the white lines of the dough. I use Daiso clay. And the real slime is on the bottom. This is really going to take a long time to see it out. Okay, whatever. I'm not getting the rest out. Oh my gosh, guys. Like it's fixing. Woo, guys, y'all could use Tide just after it's a slime. And you could actually really use, you could use, and plus if your slime is really hard, you use hot water in your slime. So you're going to need to keep your bowl, which is done. That's the video. Okay. Here's the thing. It is very cool. This one is not that stretchy, guys. But I'm just gonna call it. Make up sister in the background. And guys, so oh my gosh, guys, fit. Oh, I fixed it. Oh my gosh, okay, guys, y'all can name this one. I'm gonna go ahead and call that. We could call that. What should we call it? I don't know. We could call it a cloud slime, but I doubt y'all want to name that a cloud. This should be a cloud slime. I should comment down below if I could make if y'all want me to make cloud slime. I don't know if y'all want me to, but just comment down below if y'all want me to. Because I know how to make it. Whoa. 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 I put rice in this one, guys. And look at the rice. The rices look like I don't know if y'all can see that. Look. Like, it's thick on the bottom. Feel it? I'm going to tell my sister to feel it. No, feel it on the bottom. Click it. Guys, it's just like, look, watch. I'm going to dump it out. Look, guys, that's the rice. It does not stretch. Well, yes, this does stretch. Just make crunchy slime.
all my slimes and I'm gonna
Oh
be
my gosh,
adding
guys.
rice into some of them. So I have this little one. I'm gonna be opening
So guys,
and I have my hot water. My hot water. Put that aside and first in the spoon. I have 5 slimes and I'm gonna fix it. So I'm gonna need some nuggets.
but guys, my slime's really touchy.
So this is my slime that I'm gonna be adding. Like if I'm gonna add hot water.
Guys, that was so good. I love it. Guys, y'all should try this. Put rice in one of your sticky slime. Put rice in one of your sticky slime. And then let it sit overnight. You can poke it. And look what your slime will come out to. It's gonna be good. And it makes very good clicks. Very good stretches. I love this, guys. Oh, let me try to make a swirl with this.
Once it starts coming together, that means all the water has stopped.
I mean, what is that?
Bringing this out. Some orange juice. So this is a slime after. I added the water stuff in it. So I'm gonna put it in the container whatever is gonna fit. I'm gonna use that to make rice slime. So, and if I had never tried it before, but my sister has, and I felt it, it felt so good. So I'm gonna need to try it. So,
guys, this is my green kinetic sand slime. So I really love it. If this has foamy, guys, comment down below what my slime names. Guys, that's all my slime. Sorry, I forgot to bring my other big one. I'll bring it next time. Comment down below if you want me to do a video with all my slimes. I used to have 15 and then I mixed all of them together in a big one, and then I have the big one still. So guys, without further ado, bye. See you in the next video.